everybody, I'm really excited to announce the game jam I'm judging is just about to start. And there are two reasons that I think you'll be interested in this, even if you don't normally do game jams. This game jam has a couple things about it that are really unique. The first is that while it's built in Unity and you're building a game on a Unity SDK, you're actually writing the code in TypeScript. And that might sound a little bit crazy or daunting, but it's actually really easy and there's a very good reason for it. The reason is so that you can build games that actually run inside of the Genies application. You know how you can't ship new C# code in your asset bundles? This is a way that you can ship code, kind of scripting, alongside with your game live. It's very interesting, and if you've ever wanted to do your own in-game scripting type setup, this is a really good introduction to one of the ways that you can go about that. Plus, you can build a game using a system that just works very much like building a mono behavior setup. You're not really writing anything different. It feels very much like writing normal Unity code, but it can live update just like hot reload, but in an actual application live instead of just in the editor. Now, the other thing that is really unique about this one is the prize structure. There are some really great prizes and not a whole lot of competition. The first prize is $1,000 cash plus $5,500 completion bonus if you want to finish the game and put it up on their platform, which I would highly recommend. If you get first place, your game is probably pretty good and it might have some really good opportunities long term. I'm a big fan of getting in on new platforms as early as possible. It's a great revenue opportunity, especially for things like this where the platform could really just blow up and get huge like Roblox. If you've got one of the early best games, it's a great opportunity. Second place, though, is still $500 with a $2,000 completion bonus, and they've got prizes all the way down to 10th place. So you may as well enter, give it a try, see what you can build. The theme for this one is Tower of Time. I'm thinking of a couple different ideas. Just remember that when you're building the game, you want to integrate their Genies avatar platform. You get characters that people can customize, create their own, and kind of have themselves in the game. So think about using that avatar in there along with kind of a portrait mode game and the Tower of Time theme. If you've got some really good ideas, drop them down in the comments below. And if you need any help while you're coming across or while you're building this game, just let me know. Feel free to reach out. I'm sure the Genies team will be more than happy to help you out. But I've worked with this a couple times, building things, testing out the SDK for them and giving them some feedback. And I found it to be pretty easy. But if you run into issues, I might be able to walk you through those. So just let me know. And if you build something cool, let me know what that is too. And I'll be judging it. And drop a comment with your game name down in the bottom. All right. See you in the next one. Bye.